Hey everybody, here you have a couple old Carrier spam can units, or Challenger, or Compact. I believe it's known as Compact. With a packed up jet truck, or here for the spam cans. I believe they're actually called Carrier Compact. This is in an apartment complex full of them, but it's gated, so this is about all I can do.